Hi, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to use contactsheets.com. Contact Sheets lets you add realistic film borders to your photos or generate a full contact sheet in seconds. You can choose from different film stocks, different film formats, add dust or markings, and export images that look like real scan negatives. Let's start with adding a film border to a single image. To begin, simply upload an image. The image stays on your device, it's not uploaded to a cloud. You can then select the film stock you want, the film format, add any markings or dust, or change the frame number. When you're happy with the look, you can export it. Next, creating a contact sheet. You can upload multiple images at once, depending on the film format you have selected. For example, you can upload 36 pictures to fit the 35mm format. The tool will automatically place them into a film roll. You can always reorder if you want to. Portrait images are auto-rotated so they fit correctly within the negative frames. Once you're happy with the roll, export it. You can export either the full contact sheet or a single frame. You can also adjust the layout style of the contact sheet before exporting. Once it looks right, just download the image. If you want to start over with a new roll, simply click the logo Contact Sheets. And that's it. That's how you create contact sheets in seconds on contactsheets.com.